When creating and testing documents that are intended for a large viewer base such as online infographics, web pages, and PowerPoints, it is important to make sure that the colors used contrast well enough for everyone to read. Using Colorzilla and WebAIM, I will go through 7 easy steps to make sure that the colors you utilize contrast well enough to ensure readability. The first step is to install the Colorzilla extension for Google Chrome. Install Colorzilla 0.5 and add extension. You can return to your page. After Colorzilla has been installed, click the eyedropper icon and a drop-down menu will appear. Click the selection that says Page Color Picker Active. With the Page Color Picker tool active, there will now be a black bar underneath the URL bar. Notice that it includes a box that changes color as you move your cursor over different colors. The color codes will also change as your cursor moves. Step 3. Select a color by left-clicking in the browser. If you wish to select another color, simply return to the eyedropper icon and pick Page Color Picker Active again. Step 4. Go to WebAIM's Color Contrast Checker. WebAIM's Color Contrast Checker will take the hex codes of a foreground color and a background color and determine whether the contrast between the two passes or fails standards of web accessibility. For step 5, click the eyedropper icon and select Color Picker from the menu. This will open up an archive of any and all of the colors that you have selected with the Page Color Picker tool. Any color that you select in your color history will be displayed with several color codes. What we want, however, is the hex code. Step 6. Copy and paste the hex codes for the foreground color. In this case, this is the font color. And copy and paste the background color as well into the appropriate box. Refer to the pass-fail scores under both the normal text and large text headings. They will inform you whether or not the degree of contrast between the two colors are suitable for web accessibility. If you fail either of the categories that the text in your project falls under, use the lighten or darken buttons next to the input colors until your scores are dignified as pass. Step 7. Use the Page Color Picker tool again to save the hex codes. These new colors will be put into your Color Picker archive. You now have the exact hex codes of the accessible colors saved to your browser so that you can make appropriate color changes to your project.